everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new around here, hello, my name's Erin. I vlog every single week. It is bright and early, it's 7:30. We are back into school. I'm not looking forward to this half term. Mocks are gonna happen at like Christmas time or just before we break up, which I'm just absolutely dreading. And it might look very sunny on camera right now, but it is 1 degree outside, like it is freezing. Anyway, I'm gonna go to school. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Right, it is a lot later on. Well, actually not really, it's 6:10. About to go out, going to the theatre to go see Blood Brothers. I've actually already seen it. Oh, I'm a bit out of focus. I've actually already seen it this time last year, but we kind of got the choice with school again to see it again, and I like loved it. And it's going to be my exam, so I thought I might as well go. Number one, because I really like it, and it will kind of make me remember the drama techniques and stuff in it. But yeah, I'm excited. Should be back at 10, so it's been a very busy evening. Going on the coach.
Oh my god, I just had a conversation. That's awesome.
Is that what everyone wants to say? Okay, great.
Hi everyone. Are you vlogging?
Yes.
Hiya.
I mean, great. We're very, very far away. Like, can we even see the stage? We have to zoom all the way in.
Hi.
We've just come out. It was
Next to me,
PG
channel.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Second time through.
Erin thought it was rubbish. She's just the ball.
Although it is a very good music. Erin, go get a life. Don't like Blood Brothers.
Watts. Robert.
Tom.
Megan Wood. Shout out.
Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I haven't vlogged today. It's Tuesday. I'm in from school. About to go to work. It's actually Halloween today. Happy Halloween. Hope you've had a good one. Once I got home from work though, I'm going to be going out with some friends. We're getting some pizza. I think we're a bit old to do trick-or-treating, but we're just going to like chill and stuff. I definitely need to bring a big coat because it is cold outside. But I'm about to just get some stuff sorted, get changed. Right.
Hi guys, I'm Nadia. Today we're out on Halloween. These are the people on a bridge over some railway.
You need to do it on landscape.
Erin, the YouTuber, said you have to do it on landscape. So, happy Halloween, everyone! Jack!
Hello everyone, it is Wednesday. Quite excited for today, to be honest. It's my best day in the timetable at school. So I've got all good lessons, which is just so much nicer. Then I have rehearsals, then I have work, but then I can come home and just chill out tonight. I actually have nothing on, which is just, oh, I need this. I'm so tired. I'm also getting a new carpet fit today, which I'm excited for. So my room is looking extremely empty apart from my bed and this chair, which just can't really fit anywhere else. But I'm getting a grey carpet, so I'll show you that when I come in. I got some new trainers come in as well. It's a good day. Okay, I just got in and my carpet is fitted. I mean, it's very like just weird, like it's so strange, but I really, really like it. And also my trainers have come. Got the Adidas Gazelles in, what is this, like, I think it's in slate grey, but I really like them. Yes, it's been a good day. I've vlogged all day. I've just got in from rehearsals after school, and I couldn't go to work, but I need to get my wage, so I'm just gonna quickly pop out, get that, then come home. So it's a very brief visit. Then tonight I need to wash my hair, I need to tan because tomorrow is the performance that I've had all these rehearsals for in the last few weeks. So hopefully tomorrow's part of the vlog is going to be extremely more exciting than this week so far. So I'll see you tomorrow. Morning everyone, it is now Friday. I'm not in uniform, as I said, today's the performance, so I mean it's not till later, but we need to be at the Carriage Works Theatre in Leeds at 10 to 9, so we're getting the 8 o'clock train just so we have a bit of time, because I think we're going to go get some food and stuff. And then we have like workshops, and then we get to go out in town for a few hours, go get Nando's, which I'm very excited for. So my makeup is like quite minimal, I haven't done anything with my eyes or lips yet. I'm just going to do that later because I'm putting like glitter and stuff on for the show. But yeah, I'm very excited. And I can bring you with me. Let's go.
Hey guys, on the train.
Look at our dressing
So what are you guys up to this afternoon then?
Oh, we're making it!
Hiya! You having enjoyed it?
I dropped my wand as well. That's perfect.
Yeah. This one bag on the board.
With a bit of luck, you'll get to see at least, well, you'll get to see at least one different.
Buzzing. Oh, it's dark. Oh. Right, we finish off at the theatre now. It is 12:30.
12:30.
Gonna go get some lunch, go around town for a bit.
Learn my lines.
Yes, calling myself a little bit. It's
No,
fine
it was only
though.
one bit.
It went well. We got a good reaction from like the other school. Yeah, now we're going into town. Do I get 20p bikini bottoms?
Do it. Bikini bottom.
I don't know. There is a coffee shop in Primark. What?
I don't even like coffee.
This is cool. I did not know about that. So we're in Nando's. Waiting for Eve to come. She had to go home to get a wage. So we're gonna go for, oh gosh, I can't even open the menu.
Jesus Christ, somebody.
Proper chicken with chips and corn on the cob. Probably what we're gonna go for.
I'm gonna go for, yeah? Ready? I'm gonna go for butterfly burger,
Yep,
chips, garlic bread.
it's a shout. Right, let's go. Things here. Thank you.
I'm just getting
We've come to Titty Valley. We've got hot chocolate. Did a cake. So it's a lot later now. It's 5:30. We've just been to Sainsbury's. Got the teachers flowers for helping out. We've also got them a box of chocolates and some cards, which we've been in charge of doing. We're now going back to Millennium Square. Well, I don't really know what I'm doing. We've still got 20 minutes.
got ages.
But we've been in town for like 8 hours today, so
We're a bit knackered and we've still got a show to do, so.
yeah, I'm really tired. And I need to do my makeup. Okay, so we are about to go on. We've got all the glitter on. Ellie, are you excited?
I'm super excited.
People are a little bit nervous, but excited. I'll catch you after the show. Right, I'm finally home. It's quite late now. I think it's about 11. But today was really good fun. The show went really good. I haven't actually focused since it happened, but it went so good. There's no mess ups. The audience was laughing. It was really good fun. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys. I mean it's dark outside. It's Saturday. I haven't vlogged today. I don't really know why. This morning I woke up at 9. My cousins came round because they were on their way back from Amsterdam. I don't really get to see like my family that much because none of us live close. Like my closest family members are an hour and a half away. So they popped in, we had lunch. It was like nice catching up with them. And then this afternoon I've just been chilling, watched some films. I'm off focus. And tonight, well right now it is the 4th of November, so there's loads of fireworks going off. We're having a few fireworks tonight. Some family friends coming around, have some tea and stuff.
His friends.
And they've got like 2 weeks. Wow, so amazing! Yeah, we need to leave them.
Oh, that made me scared.
Woo!
I'm just taking boomerang.
Sick.
Why am I just filming?
Here we go.
Sister-in-law makes it
She Catherine makes it.
Whoa.
Wait, is it going up?
Whoa.
Why did he tell us?
Why is that so disappointing? Well, I'm absolutely shattered. It's 12:15. I'm going to sleep. So, I actually don't know how I woke up at 12 o'clock this midday. Like, what? I have never slept in till 12 o'clock ever, and I hate it. I know I feel like I've wasted loads of the day, but well, it's not like I had plans, thankfully. It's now 20 to 2. I'm about to get in the shower. I really need to brush my hair, and then this afternoon we are going to more Bonfire stuff. So yeah, I need to get in the shower, and how is it? 20 to 2.
They're at the Abbey now watching. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no,
yeah, bro. Because we got Thailand man and that.
Right, I am back from B&R. I got in at like 9:15, and I'm just really tired. It's been a long week, so I'm gonna go to sleep. I will see you guys next week. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, go smash a thumbs up, go subscribe down below, and I'll see you next week.